So thank you very much for choosing MedLinks for your hair transplant. The procedure went very well, and now the next 5 days the ball is in your court to take care of your transplanted areas. We will be there at every step to support you in every possible way, and so that's why a WhatsApp group has been created. Our quality assurance manager is there, your counselor is there, I am there, and of course you. And if you want to add any family members or attendants to this group, please share their numbers and we'll be adding them as well. So you have been provided a kit like this which has all the relevant medication and support things for a seamless next 1 week. You'll have to come back to the clinic on the third day. Surgery day is day 0. On the third day, you will come to the clinic for your bandage removal and your first head wash.
मेरा जो एक्सपीरियंस रहा है थ्रू आउट 6 मंथ का काफ़ी अच्छा रहा है. थ्रू आउट टीम ने काफ़ी हेल्प किया. मैं कनेक्टेड था व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप से, सो कोई भी दिक्कत होती थी मैं डायरेक्ट उस पर मैसेज करता था और विद इन 1 और 2 मिनट्स मेरे को आंसर मिलते थे.
मेरे रिजल्ट बहुत अच्छा आया हुआ है. आज मुझे अराउंड 9 मंथ्स हो रहे हैं इस प्रोसेस को. इन 9 मंथ्स के दौरान ये मेरा आई सपोज थर्ड कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री पीआरपी सेशन है जिसके लिए मैं आज आया हुआ हूँ यहाँ पे. और इस दौरान इस पूरे 9 मंथ्स के दौरान यहाँ पे टीम से एक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप बन जाता है जिसमें अपनी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, शेयर कर सकते हैं और बहुत क्विक रिस्पांस मिलता है. और इवन डॉक्टर गौरांग का रिस्पांस ही मिला मुझे हर बार.
I'm very happy with my result, as you can see. I think it's been 13 months and I think the growth, it's still growing. I would highly recommend the team, Dr. Gaurang, and everyone in the group.
The results are pretty phenomenal. I'm pretty happy with the fact that the hairs which I wanted and the hairline which I've got I'm pretty satisfied with the same. Staff per se, the clinic per se, they're very cooperative, and thank you so much, MedLinks.
And I'm glad that I came to Dr. Gaurang for the procedure. The whole procedure went on fine. It was a marathon process, about 2 days. The procedure is done under local anesthesia, so the whole thing is very comfortable. Even the atmosphere in the operation theatre is pretty cool. The doctors are very chatty. They try and make you feel comfortable. Alexa playing music in one corner. So the whole thing is very comfortable. There is no pain. Today I have come here, we have removed the bandages, and the beard area has also sort of healed very well, because this also was a donor area for a bit, and this part was also the donor area. It is all healed very fine. The grafts are okay.